Hi guys, it's Friday and it's time to make an update after 1 week of cleaning the mess after the fire we had in our main workshop. So, after 5 days, we have successfully established new workplace. This is our temporary workplace where we will start assembling and detailing. So we have removed everything from our burnt workshop to this third facility, and we have launched some electricity and air intake systems. So assembling can be started here next Monday, and detailing will start here next Monday. Everything is still so dusty and in smoke. We have tried to clean few helmets of different colors, and some of them worked great, some of them worked barely great, some of them worked totally bad. We will keep looking for technology and chemistry to clean them all and to remove the dust. We're still uncertain about printed kits because they are all look good and untouched, but this is the first glance and we shall look at them more precisely to know if they're burnt or not. They have to be cleaned. Everything have to be cleaned. We have moved helmets here, and we will clean them and find out which one is okay, which one requires some polishing, which one requires total repaint. Well, anyway, we are in a new facility and it's okay. We will begin our work here next Monday. And let's go to the burnt workshop and I'll show you the mess. Okay, here's our burnt workshop. Let's go take a look. Well, that's the assembly. No, that's the packing. It's so smoky, everything, and it doesn't even cleaning. I don't know. So the hell dusty. And since we have water only here, we're cleaning basically helmets here and then move them to the third place. And so that's the mess. We have cleaned something and removed burnt areas. This smoky place doesn't even cleaning. We can't remove the dust and the ashes even with high pressure cleaning. Everything got burned here, and the blue marks you can see, that's the printed kits which were mostly here under the tables here and partially here. And since the fire was here, that's the fire line, they are all got melted. So some actually, thank God that we mix it our custom filament with some additions which make them non-burning, I don't know, fire resistant. Okay, and they are not burnt They haven't burned, but they got melted, and everything here was in liquid plastic. It was like flooded by plastic. We lost 12 kits, printed kits totally, and approximately 4 kits were damaged. We can use some parts from them, but not everything. And we will reprint them surely. It's smoky and dusty, and a few tables, and we will replace the floor because it smells very bad, and it's very crunchy. When we step on it, it crunches and it will break. Maybe not today, but in a time. And here we had some molds and silicones, and they are devastated. We have to buy a new one and remake molds and some master models. And as to the printers, some of them exactly here. This, and this. They were very close to fireplace, and they damaged sadly. Anyway, they all require massive cleaning, because while they were working, the fire began, and I apologize, it's so smoky and so smells bad. So the printers, there are a lot of dust on their fans, and some shortcuts appeared, and I have to repair them, and they are melted in some areas, and the rubber belts are damaged, maybe motors or something. Here we have even motherboard and SDHC card melted, and I don't know what will be alive and what's not alive. So anyway, all printers will begin to work only after we will clean and repair, totally rebuild this place. It's not safe to work in these conditions. We can't breathe normally here, and we have to repaint all the walls and the ceiling, and we have to repaint the floor, because it's some kind of wood, and it sucked with smoke and with smell, and it's horrible. We will totally repaint everything, and only after this we will put new power lines, because these power lines are heavily damaged due to fire and hot temperature, and they are unsafe. They have to be replaced, everything. Every line has to be replaced. As you can see, there's the light which go disassembled due to fire. I don't know how it's working still. Yes, and what's next? Only after we will clean everything and repaint and put new power lines. Only after this we will relaunch our printers, because they are mostly unsafe to work in these conditions. And we will begin our production of kits only after this. I think take 2 to 3 weeks approximately till we begin 3D printing again. The paint shop is untouched. and the third place, the third workshop is okay. So guys will continue to work over printed kits which were in paint shop already, and they will continue to casting helmets and to work with them, to paint them, and to detailing and assembling. Everything will go back to normal since next Monday. We are doing our best to recover as fast as we can, and your help is great. Your support is so inspiring. And thank you so much to every one of you who's supporting us, for your help, for positive vibes, for kind words, for willing to come and help, to work with us. Thank you so much. This means a lot. We didn't even thought that we mean so much for you, and you mean so much for us. Thank you so much. We are doing our best to be back to normal, and as fast as we can, and we will make everything better, bigger, and greater. We will make more cool stuff for you, and we will make it shortly. So guys, stay tuned. If you have any questions, please feel free to message us. We will reply everyone, but in a while. We will try to reply as fast as we can, but not fast. Please share the information and the link to our crowdfunding, and this will help us to recover this faster. As to packing and shipping, I'm still uncertain how fast I will be able to do this, because mostly I'm working here. I'm cleaning the messes, I'm cleaning walls, removing a door and a smell and dust and ashes, and rebuild the power lines and everything else. I'm mostly working here. So I'll try to find the time to pack some ready products, but it won't be soon, probably in a week or more. I'll try to teach our guys to pack this, but it's a very fragile moment, and good packing is the key to safe shipping. And I don't know if it will be working moment or not. Please understand that even ready to ship products will be packed and shipped not early than I don't know, even probably 2 weeks, not sure. I will try to do this faster. Thank you so much, and please be safe. Bye.